U.S. Battery's been in business since 1926. That's 93 years of success. We've always been a small company. Since taking the company over in 1989, U.S. Battery's been a family-held company with core values, with integrity, striving to help the employees, the customers, the vendors, and government agencies, both nationally and internationally. U.S. Battery's always taken a forefront position as far as keeping us current and really striving for the future, keeping our product in the marketplace as a leader and as a standard, not just with the product itself, but the service behind it, giving the core values that were set up by John Anderson. He's allowed U.S. Battery and its team members to develop, to grow, and be innovators in the marketplace, not just with product, but with service. And not only just service, but the integrity of our product, both engineering, product stewardship, and environmental impact stewardship.
When I came into the company 25 years ago, we had approximately 120 employees. Today we have approximately 520 employees. So the changes have been great. It's been a great experience for those of us on the management team, and we look forward to many more years of the same kind of growth. Today we are distributing products in over 90 countries. One of the things that we're most proud of is that our product is made in the United States. We do everything possible to support local businesses. Our raw material suppliers are typically all U.S. suppliers, and it is important to us to remain a Made in America product. Our vision for the company is to continue to push forward, looking at newer technologies. We are working with other partners right now to bring a lithium product to market that is specifically designed to meet the demands that we find in AWP, floor cleaning, solar, golf, and any of the other specialty markets that U.S. Battery services.